Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ray Cray Farms and Cray Travels. When we're not farming or working, we're out and about chasing adventures, taking in views, and making every moment count. Grab your passport, pick your sense of wonder, and join us on one of our unforgettable journeys, filled with cray cray fun as we travel and explore. Welcome to our slice of paradise here in Chivu, Zimbabwe, where we farm. This is a family farm, and farming has been in our blood for generations. For now, let's zoom into the moment we rolled up our sleeves and got into the business of farming around 2017 2018. Back then, our head was quite small, with just about 10 cows, mainly our very own Mashona cattle. And yes, there was already a bull on the farm, a commercial Brahman cross, that was doing all right. When we looked at our herd and how we wanted to grow it, and up our game and improve our genetics, we realized that we needed to invest in a very good bull. After researching and chatting to a few experts and watching lots of YouTube videos, we set our hearts on the Brahman breed. We understood the power of a bull in terms of changing the genetics of a herd. We went this route because we were chasing excellence and we wanted to purchase stud cows so we could also produce pure breed stud registered cattle. We chose Brahman for its hybrid vigor. That means that when you cross it with other breeds, you get cows that grow quickly and efficiently. In addition, the Brahman breed is also known to be tough and to thrive in various conditions, especially in the heat. Brahman cattle grow fast and they have excellent carcass quality, which means that you get more meat and less fat. In addition, they are also known to live longer, which means essentially they can be productive for more years and they can give you a better return on your investment. We purchased our first stud animal in 2018 and it was this bull. Buying the bull was the best decision we ever made. We registered the bull with the Brahman Society as breeders, and we also got a few stud cows to start off. Once our maize is harvested, our cattle step in to munch away on the leftover stover. It's nutritious for them and good for our soil. It's also quite cost effective and it reduces the need for us to purchase additional feed. The maize stover provides a decent source of roughage and residual nutrients, which is beneficial for the kettle's digestion. It also helps us reduce wastage by turning what could be disposed into a valuable feed resource. And lastly, it's very good for the soil as it creates good manure, which is also a natural fertilizer that enriches the soil. Although for some the thought of smelly cow dung may be disgusting, this intestinal waste is good for the soil. The genetic advantages of incorporating a Brahman bull into our herd quickly became evident just after one season of breeding. First off, the cows were not just the usual cows. They had bigger birth weights and weaning weights. The color and the consistency was also up. Where previously we had different variety of colors, we started to see a uniform palette of red and brown. We started to see consistency. The conformation of the calves was also better. The calves had a higher growth rate, which translates into earlier market readiness and potentially higher economic returns. But it's not just about the size, it's also about the adaptability. Through crossbreeding, we're able to capitalize on Brahman's growth efficiency and the Mashona's environmental resilience, creating a herd that benefits from the strengths of both. When Mother Nature decides to bless us, our pastures are transformed and our cattle graze in this bounty. We also grow maize and sunflowers for them. The maize provides high energy fodder, while the sunflowers, after the oil extraction, leave us with a high protein meal that's perfect for our herd. But that's not all. To ensure that they're also in good condition, we supplement their diet with feed and salt and protein blocks. The salt blocks are not just treats, but they are also packed with benefits. The salt is essential for maintaining fluid balance and nerve function, while the protein blocks are like a power-packed snack which supports growth, reproduction, and overall health. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.